tool that is useful known as advanced filter. Start by copying this one. Let's copy it here. Then let's go for item 1. Then after going for item 1, let's go here in data. Then there's advanced. In advanced, we choose the list range. That is the list range. Then let's choose criteria range. That is the criteria range. And let's copy to another place. Then let's copy it here and then hit OK. That is the results we are receiving after choosing that within the criteria range. Then let's check when we have it being with item 2. Okay, then let's see, go here. Then what we will be checking is only the criteria range. Then hit, then copy to another place, then hit OK. That is the results we are receiving. Let's say we want a location to be just at location A. Then location A, let's get rid of this one. Then go, then come and check the criteria one with the location and advanced one. Then copy to another place. Then and this is what we have within location A. Let's say we need to give us a result of that is above that's above 20 in total. And then let's get rid of this location and item. Then we just come here. Then we choose criteria range. That is criteria range. Criteria range. Criteria range. Then okay. This is what we get out of it within the range that is the one that is above 20. Yes, that is advanced filter is useful and has a lot that help in doing some filtering of data. Let's see how you can do embedding by changing the Excel to inserting it to a document, Word document. So first of all, let's close with this Excel. Then let's open the Word document. Then insert. Okay. from here let's go to insert, and then kwa nilikuwa naona wapi hii sasa? Then objects, here we go to create from file, then we have to check to browse, yeah, let's pick our, then that is what we already have. Then we have to tick the link to file, then hit OK. And this is it. We now have it. So yeah, now have it. So let's go back to our Excel, then we make changes to see the link if it is working well, so that in case when you make changes in the Excel sheet, it will be automatically be detected. So here let's make a sum. Sum of how you can do advanced filter. First let's come to find, then within find let's check with find, then let's find what we want to find. Let's go to item 1. Then in item 1 we find all item 1, then that is it. Then let's go do dial Control A to select all, then can close there. Then from there you have selected, and then As the advanced filter, you can just put it a color of it, and then you can do the bold, you can do the underline on it, and you can do the rest of other things with the highlighted one. Each of the highlighted item that is in fine advanced selection. Let's see how you can do the advanced transpose. So first, let's highlight, then right click, then copy, then let's select, then also right click, then paste with special, then you come here and tick transpose, then hit OK, and we have it transpose. So let's see if we do the changes, the changes are automatically ended. You see it is not working. So how can you do that? So let's do it again. Maybe it will be working well this way. So what we do is that you just select rows with the exact number of rows, that is 2 by 6. Yes, and then put equal signs and just the type transpose. Then put open brackets, then type A1, then highlight the whole of it, then we close the brackets. Then instead of hitting enter, just hit shift control enter, then transpose is done. So let's make changes to see if the changes can be done live as we wanted. Let's say we put 7 and yeah, you see now the transpose is working very nicely. Yes, the life has changed automatically. That is how transpose is done. Let's see how we can insert slices on a data table. So first of all, let's go to insert, and then you choose table, then the table is highlighted. Make sure that my table has headed and it is selected, then hit OK. So hit inside, anywhere inside the table, then go back to insert, then in insert let's go to slices, then select all, the color, the size and the shape, then hit OK. So we have all the 3 of them has been sliced, each of them. So if you select the blue, you see only the blue are highlighted and is shown. You select that, you see it is selected and the twos. So let's undo also. Let's select 7. You see it is the red and large which has been highlighted and sliced. So let's undo and see yellow or red, yellow. You have the yellow and small, you have it to be yellow, small, 5 and 3. And that is it about the slices. Let's see how you can do a scenario manager on a data screen. So let's go to data, then in data go to analysis, then go to scenario manager, then you are asked on what to do. So in scenario manager you add, so you are asked the scenario name. Let's name it to be the best scenario. Best scenario. Then you hit OK, but the change cells is within here. You just hit OK, then you hit OK. Best, let's hit again the best scenario. Best scenario, then you check the previous changes that you are asked to enter the value. In the first case, let's say within the rate, let's put it to be 0.3 within that 6 months, and let the value to be 32. Then let's hit OK. Then let's add another scenario that we'll have. It could be the worst scenario. In the worst scenario, within the selected range, let's say to have it to be at 8%, and within 60 months, the range of 60 months, and then with the full amount, that is $35,000, that's $500,000. Then let's also add another that we'll call it this one likely. Let it be likely. Then let's hit OK. Then in likely, let be 4%. Then within the period of 60 months, then let have the full amount. So if you hit the best scenario, then let's say show, if it, that is the amount with $32,000. Worst scenario, 35, 60 and 8%, likely with 4%. So let's now go and say show a scenario. Let the scenario, we don't want to show a scenario by foot, you can also do it, but now we can show the scenario summary. So within the scenario summary, let's set this, then you hit OK. and that is it. That's why what we get the values from our scenario. So that is the best scenario manager that we have. Some of the tricks that we have in Excel. Let's say we want to hide this cell that I have highlighted, the the cell with 5. Let's say we want to hide. You right click and then come to format cell, then come to custom. In custom, let's use rounded this, that is 3 times, then hit OK, and you see the cell in those 5 here is no longer there. Let's see if it is working by putting here 5, then hit OK. You see, become 25. It is working very well. That is one of the tricks that we can get in Excel, how to hide a cell. Let's see how to remove blanks. First of all, highlight cells, then use Ctrl G. Then there is this special formatting that is here, then come to blanks, then hit OK, and now it is blanks are highlighted. Then come to hit Control plus, then minus, then you see this one, that's shift cell upward, then hit OK, and the cells have been removed. Let's check how to track changes in a spreadsheet. Whenever you make changes, you can easily track and see who make the changes and at what time. So first of all, you come to review, then you check the track changes, then come to highlight the changes, then check the track changes while editing, then you come to and then select, then come to all. When you can also select who or everyone, then and where, then you here you must select highlight changes on screen so that you will know which one was done or has been changed, and then you hit OK. You have to accept it so that you can continue. Then we can start making changes now in the spreadsheet. If you hit, then let's say we put an A, you can see it is highlighting. Let's say we put here 5. Let's say we put here some 2. Let's say we put here Z. Yeah, so far we have done some highlighting from each cell. We can check the user, the time that was done, the date, and the cell that has the changes. That is how you can check it. So after finishing, you can now come to here, then you will be in a position to see, to reject when it has, if it is okay or not okay. Then you can be shown now one by one the selected cell, that is the A7. You can now accept it, reject it, accept all, reject all. So you will be checking if it is okay, you accept. Because it is okay, you accept. You come to cell that is in fee item 5. It was done at this time on this date. Then you will accept it, reject it, so until it is finished. Also, you can still come to here, and then now from all what we have done, we can now make the changes in the list, so that we have a new list after all the changes that we have verified that they are okay. So, and then you hit OK. Then you can see the new list of the changes that has come, how it is, that the trick is so nice. You can still come to here and then now remove the tracking of changes to allow it to give us the original list, that is the final list after all the changes. You have to save it to have it correct one. So this is now the list after we have made all the changes. Finally, this is the list that we are receiving.